And here is the soup.
You don't even know me like that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make butter rolls. So we make a twist, and if you are new to my channel, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Here we have a yeast, so we put it in a lukewarm milk, and then we add 2.5 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. And then we put sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then we combine, and then we set aside. So here we have a flour, so 3 1/4 cups of flour, and we double it, so it should be 6.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So we have already sifted the flour, so we add our sugar. So we add 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons salt. And we combine. And we have 2 eggs, so we add the 2 eggs and we combine. And here our yeast is already foamy, so we add it here. So we combine. Mix all the ingredients. And then we add our 1/2 cup of butter. And we mix. So we use the spatula. So we mix and we mix all the ingredients. Here you go. So if you have a machine, you can use machine. So we let it rest uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes. So you go. We need the dough, guys. So we take it away. So we flour the flat surface or our working table. And then we put our dough. And we need the dough until it will become smooth. So here we form a ball. It's soft and very smooth. And we put oil in the bowl. And we put our dough. So you go. And we put oil in top. Little. And then we cover with cling wrap. So we cover with cling wrap. And we let it rest for until double the size. Or so here's our dough. It's already double the size. We take it off. And we do this to deflate the air bubbles. And we need a little. So we need a little to take away the air bubbles. Here we go, guys. So we cut into half because we make a twist. We put some cheese and sausage. Here, make flat. So we use a rolling pin. So there you go. So we cut in the middle and we divide. So there you go. And then we add sausage. So we roll. So we roll like a croissant. So here you go, guys. So we look, and here, and we put to our baking pan. And I already brushed with oil here. So continue the process until you are done. So it's very simple. So it's so simple. So here. And we continue with the other half. Same process. So make it flat. So you go. So we cut. We have to divide. The same process as the other one. So this one we add cheese. So here, you only roll the same process as when you make a croissant. There you go. So continue the process until you are done. So we almost done. So it's so simple, guys. So with cheese we make smaller so we know where is the cheese, and with sausage. So we are done. So here you go, guys. We are done. So we brush with butter in top. And we cover with cling wrap. And we set aside and wait until double the size before we bake. And here we have egg, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk for egg wash. So here's our bread. It's ready to bake. So all is already double the size. So we brush with egg wash. So yan. And then we put sesame seeds. So, sprinkle in the top. Yan. And here you go. We bake. So we bake now. We put it in the oven for like about 18 to 20 minutes. So, there you go. Our bread is ready. So we take out from the heat. So soft. Very soft. But it's hot. So wait a little. We brush with butter. Here you go. So if you are new to my channel, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we try the cheese one. So this is the cheese. Here you go. So soft. Here. And here is the sausage inside.